I'm going to show you how you can easily buy an Ethereum coin in Trust Wallet. First, open your Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. Next, tap on ETH from your wallet dashboard to access the Ethereum section. Here, tap on the Buy button to initiate the purchase process. Now enter the amount of Ethereum you wish to buy and select Buy with Credit Card. You can also choose other payment methods available. On the next screen, you will see a summary of the amount you are buying and the total you will receive. Once you've reviewed the details, tap on Proceed to Buy ETH. Now enter your email address to receive transaction confirmations. Next, read and accept the terms and conditions, then tap on Proceed. Finally, enter the verification code sent to your email to complete the purchase. Your Ethereum will be added to your Trust Wallet once the transaction is successful.